Pots posar la pantalla sense que et sorti. Hòstia, no cardi.
Perico, digues adéu.
Adéu, nois. Ho donin molt pel cul.
Tu, vaig abans,
Si arribeu abans, escriviu, eh?
Tu allà baix. Què, nen?
Bon dia, eh?
Aviam quin dia tenim. Hosti, quins núvols.
Encara no ha sortit el sol, ja comencem a caminar avui.
Magnolia tree, you said you could see you in me. I was surprised. Could have used you in my life.
Pues no nos queda nada. No ploris, Alfons, tio.
Magnolia tree, you said you could see you in me. I was surprised. Could have used you in my life, but you were blind. Used you in my life, but you were
Bon dia. Oh, hòstia. Fuà, com s'ha tapat, col·lega.
Thought I saw you take a swing at the door. I thought I saw your funny note on the floor. It was crafted and I didn't like what we were talking about. Oh, I know you're wrong.
Clar, bé. Ara bé, que volem emprendre un llarg viatge.
I don't wanna see you smile. I want you in the morning before you go performing. Tell me something I don't know and lead me to the place where no one ever goes.
L'últim cim de la ruta. Roca Cigalera. Avui tindrem unes magnífiques vistes. Tu, agafa, va, que arribem just.
Alfonso!
Vinga, senyors!
Puta! L'última dècima!
Vamos!
Ah! Hòstia puta, una immensitat!
Buah, tío, però si has anat a nedar, col·lega.
We know a place no spaceships go. We know a place where no souls go. Hey! No cars go. Hey! No cars go. Well, we know.
Som un tobogan.
Sí, tio.
No, el glaçat ha de ser... Yes. Yes, so now we are a little bit more of this corner and then we
Joder, lo
go
que queda
down
encara, tio.
very...
No agrada,
I al final... Al final ha anat bé, sí.
sí.
Sí.